I think it's vitally important that students get the opportunity to work on industry-related machines. I think what's more important is the employer that puts a lot of money and effort into these apprentices, they get them from here ready to work on these machines. DMG Mori are the largest machine tool company in the world, and they represent really what is happening in industry. So this is an important investment for the employer and gives the apprentice and the students a great start in life.
We have 5 machines here. 3 of them are going to be used for commercial use, which is used to help local businesses produce parts at a lower price. But it just generates some revenue for the college.
We work constantly on this project. It's a moving feast. We have new students coming through all the time, so we will support. I think it's vitally important that the engineering skills gap is closed, particularly not just in the UK, but against our competitors overseas. And I think that it's a responsibility, the corporate and social responsibility of a lot of larger companies to be involved in apprenticeship programs. The style of work that's coming through has been really impressive. It's come from all different industries. It's come from smaller industries and larger industries. And it's a variety of work which gives the students the real opportunity to understand what's out there. I think the investment has been very brave. I think that to put students on high quality equipment and give them that opportunity really has made the difference.
We're here today in the Harlow Advanced Manufacturing and Engineering Centre, and this was a project that's a genuine partnership between employers, our South East Local Enterprise Partnership and the local council, and that is to provide skilled young people into engineering. Engineering in Essex has around about 13,000 job vacancies, and we were getting complaints from employers about skills shortages and the skills that students had, and the concept of HAMEC was born from that. We're really excited about this project. It's genuinely innovative. We've brought together employers, young people, and also the curriculum, and made some major changes. So that's a change to how we deliver, a change to what we offer, a change to the resources and equipment, and we're genuinely about careers. So we bring in young people from local primary schools, right through to secondary students, through to apprentices, and then we have employers working here doing research and development and testing and producing products. We already have other colleges and providers learning from what's happening here in Harlow. So we've been supporting colleges in the London Stansted-Cambridge corridor to look at our innovative model, to share good practice, and to help them get better relationships with employers and young people to provide that pipeline of skilled engineers for the future. We think we should win this award because it would be a genuine recognition for young people in Harlow, for our employers and for our staff who are working incredibly hard to support the next generation of engineers. We've already seen an increase of 13% in our apprenticeship learners. We've seen an increase of 56% in pre-apprenticeship learners, and we're finding that young people are walking into jobs with the skills that are required by the industries that surround Harlow.